Amazon has created more jobs than almost any other company in the entire world and employs more than 1 million people all around the globe. In this video today, I'm going to share some of the best Amazon jobs to work from home, and some of these jobs pay more than $340,000 per year and come with a bunch of other awesome benefits. You're going to want to stick around for the entire video because I have a secret resource that I'm going to be sharing, and it's going to come at a time that you least expect it. But without further ado, let's dig into the top 5 best Amazon jobs to work from home. Do you ever wonder what it would be like to make 6 figures, just be able to work from home and trying to keep Amazon's warehouses up to date and running? Well, there's a really great work from home job from Amazon that's titled Inventory Control and Quality Assurance Operations Manager. That's essentially what this person does, and the role that's absolutely essential to keeping Amazon up and running. Think of this job as being in the air traffic controller for Amazon's warehouse system. You're essentially making sure every product is where it needs to be, fixing any problems that come up, and ensuring quality is top notch. If things go off track, you can step in to fix it before the customers even notice. You're essentially the quarterback that's keeping the Amazon engine running behind the scenes. This role comes with a lot of benefits, and one of the best benefits is you can work from home or do this from the comfort of your laptop. And with a 6-figure salary, this is a great place to start. What if I told you this next job could pay you more than $185,000 just by helping people with their support requests? That's what I'm talking about with the role of the Cloud Support Engineer 2. Essentially, they help companies use Amazon's cloud services more effectively. Imagine this, you're the go-to person when something goes wrong in the digital world. It's like being the mechanic that keeps the internet up and running, except you're working from home and using your brain instead of tools. You troubleshoot, you innovate, and you make sure companies can rely on their technology to keep their business running smoothly. How would you like to make $223,000 per year by protecting Amazon security systems? Essentially, the software development engineer, the InfoSec access, does exactly this. Think of this role as like being a high-tech security expert. Except instead of locks and alarms, you're creating the ultimate digital defense systems. You'll be designing software that protects Amazon's infrastructure from hackers and cyber attacks. It's like being a bodyguard, but instead of protecting people, you're safeguarding Amazon's most valuable digital assets. And the pay definitely is worth the responsibility. Now guys, if any of these 6-figure jobs sound interesting for you, I actually put together a free ebook on the top 100 best remote companies in the entire world. And you can download it for free today by visiting globalcareerbook.com/top-100. And again, all you have to do is visit that or go down to the link in the description to get your copy for free today. This next role pays upwards to $220,000 per year, allows you to work from home and to work for one of the biggest companies in the world with a lot of other great benefits. The role I'm talking about is Head of North America and EMEA Offline Retail. Essentially, the responsibility you take as this role is you're going to be like the head coach of a professional sports team. But instead of athletes, you're leading the marketing, sales, and strategies teams. Your job is to make sure Amazon's products are flying off the shelves in physical stores and across North America and Europe. Every campaign you design, every strategy you roll out directly impacts how well Amazon performs in retail. It's a big job with a $220,000 per year paycheck. And guys, if you learned something new there, you're gonna love this next part. I've partnered up with Amazon's Audible to give you a free copy of my #1 best-selling book, Global Career: How to Work Anywhere and Travel Forever. Global Career has been featured in prestigious publications like Forbes, CNBC, Entrepreneur Magazine, and even Lonely Planet. And with over 500 positive reviews, this book has helped hundreds of thousands earn from anywhere. To get your free copy and start a 30-day free trial of Audible, all you have to do is visit globalcareerbook.com/audio today, or just scan the QR code on the screen here. Now imagine getting paid more than $340,000 per year to test Amazon products, while being able to do this from the comfort of your home. This sounds like a dream job for just about anybody, And this is an actual role. And the title of this is Quality Assurance Virtual Testing, Automation, Mechatronics, and Sustainable Packaging. I know that's a mouthful, but picture yourself as a virtual test driver, except instead of testing cars, you're testing Amazon's newest innovations. You're running simulations to make sure everything works perfectly before it hits the market. It's like being the ultimate quality inspector, except all your work is done through advanced technology, making sure Amazon's products meet the highest standards before they reach customers. And with a salary like that, it's no wonder this role tops the list as our #1 highest paid Amazon jobs that allow you to work from home. Again, guys, I'll leave all the links below to start finding jobs like I mentioned here today and hundreds of other jobs. All you have to do is go to amazon.jobs and that'll give you access to all their openings. But there's a few filtering options to actually find the remote options that allow you to find Amazon jobs to work from home. And I'll leave the direct link below in the description. And again, guys, if you want to go ahead and grab that free ebook, all you have to do is visit globalcareerbook.com/top-100. Thanks again for your time. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe for new videos that I'm putting out every single day, and I'll see you in the next one.